only fun when you can actually, get into the game without getting disconnected, dealing with slow load-in times, and worst of all, lag. Remove those headaches and upgrade to the speedy TP-Link Archer GX90 Wi-Fi 6 gaming router. Let's unbox this. A router created to help you game faster, broader, and securely. The TP-Link Archer GX90 Tri-Band Wi-Fi 6 gaming router. This beast provides 3 distinct bands, bringing speeds up to 6579 megabits per second. This will truly take care of all your gaming needs, especially thanks to the ability to connect to up to 100 devices. Every single one of your devices can experience astonishing speeds up to 6.6 gigabits per second. 3 bands ready to be utilized, 2.4 gigahertz and 2 5 gigahertz bands. If you're all about gaming, this router can prioritize gaming traffic with Game Accelerator. It'll ensure that your gaming stream is optimized fast and keeps you fully immersed. Plus, tons of perks and the option for an even faster direct connection. Nothing is lacking with this incredible gaming router. Game with ease with the TP-Link Archer GX90 Tri-Band Wi-Fi 6 gaming router, now on Newegg.